Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to have a custom alarm sound on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and if you need to have a custom sound for your alarm, just watch this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to open this app here with the guitar. This is called GarageBand. So this is an application by Apple itself. So you're gonna get it easily on the App Store. So you have to download it from there. It's like 1.5 gigs, so that's not much of a deal. So after downloading GarageBand, you need to open it, and it will be like this. So like it's a horizontal application. So here you're going to get a lot of options of many instruments, but you're going to go with audio recorder, and here you have to record the audio. Let me just do it for you and I'll be back. Okay guys, so we have recorded this sound, and I would like to have this sound as my ringtone. So what do I have to do? We can just click on this arrow that is pointing in the downward direction right here and go to my songs. And here you can see that this is my song right here that I've just recorded. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to hold it, click and hold it. And then I'm going to click here on share. And here, although it is said that, you can uh, share it as a ringtone, but it's not only going to be for the phone, when somebody calls you, but it's also going to be your alarm sound as well. So we're going to click here on ringtone, and then we're going to name it. Let's say alarm one. And then we have to click on export. It's going to export, and we're done with that. So what do we need to do? We need to close the app. Let me just close the app, and we need to go here to alarm, and let's set a new alarm for like 8:58. And here in the custom sounds, we have our custom sound alarm right here, the one that we just created on GarageBand. So that's how you can actually have a custom sound, a custom alarm sound for your iPhone. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.